Hello YouTube and welcome to a new Techsloth video with the new Poco F1 smartphone from Xiaomi. This time we are going to do the setup. I got my nano SIM card ready. I grabbed the SIM card tool. On the left side of the device there is the SIM card tray. Pull it out. On the right side you got the SIM 1 part. On the left side you got either SIM 2 or your micro SD slot. So chip down, corner up left. Slide it back in and then push the on off button on the right side. Push it, keep pushing it until you feel a vibration and the display turns on. So Pocophone by Xiaomi. So this is definitely new. Powered by Android. This is the smallest powered by Android sign or logo I've ever seen on any device. So we got the normal, no, we don't get the normal Android setup. We got the MIUI 9 setup screen here from, this is a standard Xiaomi software. So we hit next, choose your language. English is okay. So next again, choose your region. I'm here in Germany, so I choose Germany, hit next. And connect to your network, so connect to your Wi-Fi. I select your Wi-Fi, enter your Wi-Fi password. You can also skip this part and use your mobile data connection. So where's my Wi-Fi? There it is. We are connected and hit next. So agree to the terms and conditions. Yes. This is, oh, now we are back in the normal Android setup. Yes, this is Android. Copy your data. No, I set up as a new device because I want to see how much free storage do I get. Then connect to your Google account, enter your Google email and password. Then meet your Google Assistant. Yes. Yes, I want to use it. So ready to go. Then Google services, select or deselect whatever your service you want to use or what you don't want to use. That is agree. Do you want to set up another email account? No thanks. Then Mi Clouds need permission. So Mi Cloud is the same cloud or is Xiaomi's cloud service. We know this from Samsung, from Huawei. Everybody wants to not to sell, but to let you use their own cloud services and not the one from Google. So I say no, thank you. Deactivate Sync. No, I don't want to use the Mi Cloud. I don't want to set up a Mi account, so I hit just skip. Ooh, but I want to use this one here, Fingerprint. Yes, I need something else to unlock the device. My fingerprint is not working, so got it. Then and confirm your PIN. Then fingerprint sensor is located on the back side. The device will vibrate, so just tip and lift your finger if you feel the vibration. Do this a couple of times and then move your finger slightly. So now do the same, but move your finger around a little bit. So up, down, left, right, and successfully done. But no, we can't add another finger directly. This is, nah. So additional settings, location, yes. User experience program, no. Send diagnostics, no. Auto update, no. Personalized app recommendations, no. Thank you. So read carefully what you're using and what not. Choose the theme, Poco, default or limitless. I just use the Poco one so that it looks like a Poco F1 phone. Theme applied, setup complete, and here we go. Started, allow access to internal storage, okay, for the wallpaper. Yes, I'd have to hit allow, so there we go. So we are now in the setup or in our home screen on the device. So first look around. We get, of course, a couple of Xiaomi apps like their own browser, but we also got the Google browser, file manager, gallery, video, weather, but we still got the Play Store. There are some tools of them, contacts, calculator, clock, recorder, download, SIM tool, compass. We get a calendar, notes, cleaner, and we get more apps like Facebook. Normally, or depending on which region you are and which language you're using this device, either of that, you get some Microsoft apps as well. So, but there's still the normal Google apps there. So Google, Gmail, Maps, Drive, Music, Photo, all are installed. We go to settings, scroll down and find the point storage, and we get 55.12 gigabytes are still available from our 64 gigabytes, and this is fantastic. Okay, The system storage is with 7.7, a little bit high, but 55 gigabytes is fantastic. Of course, we are under 9 gigabytes that are used here from this device, which is still a lot. But compared to all the other devices I've seen in the last maybe 12 months, 55 gigabytes out of 64 is just a fantastic value. So next point, what about the fingerprint scanner? This unlocks really fast. Is this really working? Let's try the other finger. No. So again, this is the left one. Wow, this is fast. So definitely thumbs up for the fingerprint scanner. What else? Oh, let's go back into settings and use display. Brightness level, turn out of automatic brightness, turn the device up to 100%. And this is bright. Nice, we still get to see the reflection of the lamps here, but still, first impression, definitely a nice display brightness. Colors as other things are fine for a 300 euros device, why not? So next step, oh, what about the speakers? Let's start a YouTube video. You can see on the packaging, hello YouTube and welcome to a new. Definitely nice to hear. Up from 80% we get slightly vibration down here in the device if you're holding it in your hand. But still, definitely nothing to complain about. First impression, nice. So next step, oh, camera. Let's try out the camera. Yes, I give the camera permission. We get some AI features. I want to use them as well. Device here, I take this one. Now I try to do a portrait. I can't, let me see if I can do a portrait with the device. Okay, then let's turn around. It's a front-facing camera with a 20 megapixel. In fact, it's not 100% nice on every single hair here. But the overall first impression of the picture, definitely front-facing camera gets a thumbs up. Rear camera, okay, another bokeh effect, not that, definitely not that nice. Okay, this is not a portrait, this is for a smartphone or for a thing. First, yeah, okay, decent picture here. Let's go down back on the video, head into the settings and see video quality up to 4K. We can choose the compression H.265 or H.264. First impression, I mean, we get performance okay, software okay, but great, fantastic, okay, great sounding speakers, fantastic fingerprint sensor, nice storage here, good for impression for front-facing camera, and the rest. I mean, even if the rest is just average, this is now a thing I really have to think about. I mean, for 300 euros you get this device. Okay, we have to figure out software, daily usage and battery life. But overall, first impression, definitely positive. But this is it. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!